You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 7152 over 9205. Let's solve it step by step. Remove the ones. A variable's value does not change when it is multiplied by 1, so we can eliminate it. Rearrange the coefficients. Swap sides. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 298 over 35. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 7152 over 9205.